in a place in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back once again. And today we're gonna do a quick and simple barbecue sauce. Just a base barbecue sauce, very delicious base barbecue sauce. One that you can build off of, one that you can make spicier, sweeter. You can add flavors to it. But today, we just gonna do a basic barbecue sauce. So stick with me, we'll be right back. Let's get into it. Barbecue sauce, yeah. All right, this is what we're going to need for our homemade barbecue sauce. Yeah, let's go over it. I'm gonna put the measurements in the description, so we're just going over the ingredients right now. So we have our ketchup, we have apple cider vinegar, we have light brown sugar packed, we have Worcestershire sauce. Is that how you say it? I'm pretty sure. We have paprika, we have black pepper, we have onion powder, and we have yellow mustard, and as well as our pot that we're going to simmer it in. So let's put it all together. Let's get our ingredients in the pot. All right, now we're going to start with the ketchup. We do have a half a cup of water in the pot already. So let's get our ketchup. Go. Let's get our apple cider vinegar. Let's get our Worcestershire. Yeah. Let's get our black pepper, paprika, onion powder. Let's get this mustard. Get our mustard in there as well. There we go. Get it all. And our brown sugar. So now what we're going to do, just going to take that and give it a good mix. Just like that. All right, as you can see, we have our barbecue sauce mix. Look at that. Delicious. You can taste for lightness, add what you want to, but you won't need to add anything. Not right now. We'll get into those recipes later. But look at that. So now we're just going to put it on our countertop stove, and we're going to cook it low to medium heat. We're going to simmer it. Forgive me, not cook it. We're going to simmer it on low and medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to come back. We're going to check it. Don't forget, we're going to stir it between those 10 to 15 minutes, just to let all those flavors mingle and get in there. So let's get it on our countertop stove. All right, you got your barbecue sauce at a nice little simmer. As you can see, the little bubbles. So go ahead and turn your heat off. And we're just gonna remove it, and that's it. Who knew making your own barbecue sauce could be this easy? Yeah. But like I say, if you stick with me, I'm going to show you how to turn this original, regular, delicious barbecue sauce into something great. We can add a lot of different things to it, give it some different flavors, and it'll still be one bomb A barbecue sauce. Yeah. There it is. Quick and simple barbecue sauce, done in under 15 minutes. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Goes well with any barbecue. All right now. All right, there you have it. Quick and easy, homemade barbecue sauce. And delicious. Let's not forget delicious. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, even hit the like button. Hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. If you don't, you won't know what we're doing when we're doing it. You know? Let's get a taste of this homemade barbecue sauce. This thing got me. That's some good barbecue sauce, right? Yeah. not gonna double dip though. I'm not gonna double dip. Out the place, out your face. That boy can cook. Till the next time.